How to remove avatar on Instagram. Now if you want to remove your avatar on Instagram so that it doesn't show up on your profile, it is very simple to do that. You might have avatar enabled, so you would simply open the Instagram app and this would be the interface that you'd see. Then you'd come to your profile icon here, and let's say you're being able to see your avatar over there. Now to remove that avatar from your Instagram profile, it's very simple. You just have to tap on the edit profile button that you can see from the profile. Here you can see it says edit picture or avatar, so tap on it. Then here you can see it says, like, let's say my avatar is currently added to my picture. So when I tap on it, here you can see my current picture. I just need to go to my avatar and I need to turn off this toggle that says add to profile picture. Now if I want to edit my avatar, I can do that, but I can simply turn off add to profile picture. That way that avatar will not be shown up on my Instagram profile. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.